I figure it's a good time to film something that I haven't done regarding a contest, specifically a chili cook-off contest. Join a chili cook-off contest in Fremont, California at Harbor Light Church on Sunday, which is tomorrow morning, competing against 14 people, and we're going to provide the community, the church, the staff, everyone with chili. We're here to just make the best chili we can make. I'm competing in it. Yeah, I'm excited to be part of this competition in this video today, and hopefully we come up with the win.
Vote for us, yay.
Yeah, yeah, vote for us. Let's go ahead and get to the video. So get ready for this chili cook-off contest at Harbor Light Church in Fremont right now. Brought the banner out because I'm gonna try to put that as a table. Not sure how big the table is gonna be, but brought that banner out to put it around it. So I got 2 secret ingredients. It's been slow cooking for quite some time, really low heat, but we got tri-tip and secret ingredient number, actually this is like number 1 secret ingredient right here. So there it is, seasoning, truffle zest, truffle, and I'm using Sabatino tartufi.
And good morning, everybody. It's about 5 in the morning. I'm gonna start preparing the chili. We have to be there by 11, so I'll have some time to start prepping the chili. I'm not talk too loud because Shauna and Safi are still asleep. Let that sit for a few hours, slow cooking, just getting the juices mingled in together there. Yeah, let's get some rest. All right, we're just waiting for things to get started. I think it's about like what, 10? It's about 10:45, and we were supposed to be here at 11, so we were here a bit earlier to set up, and I'll bring the chili out here soon when the crowds start to come out. Winning ticket and sample ticket.
Oh, how many people sampled and who voted, I guess?
I guess, sure. And we are getting ready to go. Alrighty. Let's go for the win. So yeah, just starting to serve people. It's really hot out here, so the sun's out, and I'm feeling like I'm getting dark. How do you feel? Oh my goodness, it's hot out here, but it's okay. But serving the chili.
Hi. Hello. Can you put one in top over this? It's spicy. But it's good.
Very good, okay.
I think I should be the first one to try yours.
Absolutely, yeah. Okay, so this is truffle tri-tip chili, okay?
Is
So,
truffle inside?
Truffle. There's truffle in here and truffle seasoning as well.
Music and chili.
Music
awesome.
and chili.
Tell ya.
Alrighty.
The other guys aren't doing that.
Okay. We're gonna
You get music and chili over here.
thank you so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and take your cup first. This is the special ingredient, okay? Truffle. Truffle.
Oh, that is special.
Okay, mix that in there. Yeah. Oh,
Going for the truffle. Let's go, man.
Truffle, here you go. Okay.
All right, guys.
All right,
Here's
man.
my first one.
All right, dude, I gotta hook you up.
Sample tickets. We got his thickness. It's delicious, dude.
Right on, dude.
Oh, okay. All
You've
right.
heard of truffle? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so we play
Yes. In fact, I'm cleaning out my cup. Okay. We don't want anything to spoil it.
You don't want
All right, so kind of wrapping up. They're doing some auctioning right now over here, but they kind of wrapped up the chili cook-off as far as serving everybody. We're just kind of waiting to see what the plan is as far as them announcing the winners. If they do it afterwards or later on, I don't know, but we're just gonna wait here. All right, stay tuned. Here's one of our competitors.
Hello.
Hey. And you are?
Thank you, Gina.
Gina.
Yes.
Right on. And her son, right?
Yes, my son Seth.
Seth, what's up, man? Here's a chili right here. I'm gonna add the truffle. All right, let's give it a try. That's got a kick. Tri-tip, ground beef, some links, yeah, and that truffle. Wow. They did it though.
With the live
They did it. Yeah.
You guys did a great job. Hey, their chili wasn't bad either. They got 18 votes for it. Yeah. I just want to thank you guys. It's really tough to pull this thing all together. And you guys volunteering. I know that some of you didn't win the competition today. In my book, you won because you were here serving God's people and we were having a great time. We raised a little.
All right, so the chili cook-off is over. Unfortunately, we didn't get the win. We got like 18 votes, which is like close to third place. Third place got 20. I think first place got 34, and then second place got 31. We got 18 for fourth, and then but we got the #1 for best table. What is it? Best decorated table. So we got the #1 best decorated table award. So hey, came up with a win, and yeah, it was a good time. Anyhow, it's really hot out here, and just gonna close up this day. If you like this video of the chili cook-off, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Say bye.